Howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Inc. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing another haul video because I couldn't resist. Prima Marketing just came out with a bunch of new collections. They all were kind of nice, but I am trying to curb my purchasing of new stuff because I have so much and I'm still trying to get rid of some of what I have. So I couldn't resist this one though. This is the Farm Sweet Farm. I love the colors on this one. They're like deep like burgundy reds, and it's very farm-like, but I love the colors. So this is, I only bought one of the 30 sheets because I also got some of the other stuff for the collection. So it's got some really cute papers. So you got some like distressed wood, some pretty kind of vintage florals. We've got some cut apart kind of style things going on here, and I love this paper. And then we've got these are cute little squirrels, chipmunks, with, you know, a wreath around them. This is really, really cute. And then on the back, you just have this index of flowers. So it's kind of got a vintage feel to it. And then we have this, the chicken wire. Gotta love that. And then the back of that is just very vintage looking. And then we have this, which actually reminds me of some of the papers that were in the Hello Pink Autumn collection. So we have that, just kind of floral. And then the back of that is this pattern, which I also really like. I love the colors too. And then the last papers in it is this vintage, very vintage looking one, and this super vintage looking one. So those are just kind of fun papers. So there's 30 in that. And then I also got the journaling note cards, the 4x6 ones. So there's 45 in here, and I figure I can probably do quite a bit in an album just with these. So we have live life like someone left the gate open. Find joy in the ordinary with a cow with a daisy in its mouth. They told me I was different. Best compliment ever. The little dog. I love that one. That was just adorable. And then we have Escape the Ordinary. And a lot of these you can actually use for like journaling on the back too, which is really kind of cool. She sees possibility everywhere, so I really like that one. This is just like a journaling style kind of card, so vintagey. The Farm is Part of Me, Eric Weirenberg. I'm not sure who that is, to be honest. Life is better on a farm with lots of love. Farm Sweet Farm, that one's cute. It's another Farm Sweet Farm, so you got a couple of different options. Do what you love to do and be around things that make you smile. The cows make me smile every day. David Jackson. Live a simple life. You will own the most beautiful treasures of the world. I like that one. That one's really pretty. Lesson Farm. This one's actually kind of very pretty. And got a basic kind of note card. And then this one is just kind of plain. So that's that. And then they also had the 3x4 journaling note cards to go with it. So some of them are very similar to this, but not quite the same. You will own the most beautiful treasures of the world. If you want something you've never had, you will have to do something you've never done. Be adventurous, darling. I like that. That's inspiring. That one's kind of the same as the one of the ones that was in the 4x6. Definitely got a journaling card there. It is only the farmer who faithfully plants seeds in the spring who reaps a harvest in the autumn. Very true. Let's stay home. Farm, sweet farm. That one's cute too. Another note card with a rooster. May your days be long and your barn stand strong. Can't say I've heard that one before. Another one. This is similar to the one that's in that one. That one's the same as another one that we had. Money can't buy happiness, but it can buy cows, and cows make milk, and milk makes ice cream, and ice cream makes you happy. Can't argue that. Live a simple life. You will own the most beautiful treasures of the world. Same as one of the 4x6. Farm, sweet farm, same thing. So that's that. And then, of course, you can't buy a Prima collection without buying some of the flowers. So I did buy some. I think there was 5 or 6 different kinds for this collection. So I bought 3. And I really like them. These ones are kind of flatter, which is nice, and I like that it came with something other than a flower. And then these ones are a little bit thicker, but more, robust flowers. And then these ones are actually really kind of tiny, but I like the fact that they have little leaves. So these are great for like accenting individual pages in an album. And then I also got a couple of items that weren't actually part of that collection. They were part of another collection. So these ones, I have been eyeing the new Graphic 45 collection. Can't remember the name of it off the top of my head. But I thought that these would go really well with it. So I'm probably going to end up buying that one too. And then I also got these ones. They're part of the same collection as this one for Prima. They seem so vastly different to me. But anyway, I thought these were really, really pretty and will make really nice charms to go with just about anything, really. So you've got a nice, like, kind of minty-ish color. They're gold. And then this one is more of a, like, a mauve color. And they glitter and sparkle, and they have pearls on them, and they actually have attached rings on either side. So that is everything that I bought from the newest Prima collection. So stay tuned to see what I may make with those, and I will probably be doing some more giveaways as well to help clean out some of my stash. I need to destash, I need to declutter, so I will probably be doing some more giveaways for those as well, so stay tuned. As always, if you're interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Thanks, everyone.